Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today's an open house tour located here in the village of Pennycamp in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood frame designer home offered at $449,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to the village of Pennycamp in the Villages, Florida. Today we do have an open house tour located here in the village of Pennycamp. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home that is offered at $449,000. The roof was recently replaced in March of 2024. There is no bond on this home. The front of this home does face north and the back of the home faces south. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That is facing east. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. You can see the cul-de-sac there. As I walk up to this home, it has a very long driveway. The concrete is in very good condition. And if you would like, you can contact the listing agent with further questions. Lisbeth Cline, that is her contact information right there. This garage is special. It's a very deep, 36-foot deep garage. It's actually considered a 4-car garage if you park your cars behind each other. There's also a shelter. There's a storm shelter built into the floor of that garage. I will show you that later as well. As I walk up to the front of this home, the concrete is in very good condition. The landscaping is in very good condition. There is a little better view of that new roof line. Wood framed home. You do have a front seating area here as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floor. Off to the left, you do have a laundry area. That laundry area also has a space for a refrigerator, freezer. That door will lead off into the garage. Off to the front of the home, you do have a living and dining area. Very tall, acoustic textured ceilings. Actually, they are knockdown textured ceilings. Off to the right, you do have a kitchen area. You do see that beautiful tile floor continuing. Knockdown textured ceiling, recessed lighting. That is a Corian countertop as well. It has an electric stove. Those appliances are newer as well. Beautiful cabinets with stainless hardware. It does have a 2-bowl sink in the kitchen as well. This home is offered at $449,000. To the front of the home, you do see a kitchenette area with the beautiful tile floor. Very large pantry in this kitchen. Bifold raised panel doors in that pantry. Lots of cabinet space in this home, friends. If you're looking for cabinet space and a large kitchen, this is the home for you. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 1976 Ethanwood Avenue in the Villages. List price, $449,000. There is no bond on this home. Feel free to pause the video at any point so you can read the specification sheet. I will turn the specification sheet over. There are your room dimension, friends. Living room is 17 by 20. I will take you through the rest of this home as well. This home is very light and bright. It's in a very good location. You do have laminate floors in the dining area. This dining area, those ceilings are really tall, knockdown textured ceilings. Very large living and dining space in this home. Light color paint on the walls. I will take you to that lanai area a little bit later. This is a split bedroom design home. Off to the right, you do see the primary bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. Very light in this home. Very tall ceilings, knockdown texture again. There's a walk-in closet there. There's also a walk-in closet over there. 2 walk-in closets in this home. Let's see what this closet looks like. Carpeted floors, wire shelves, very tall ceilings, lots of shelving units in there. This is another closet. It has a sliding pocket door, carpeted floors, lots of wire shelves in these closets, lots of storage. Here's your primary bathroom, tile floors, 2 sinks, Corian countertops, wood cabinets. You even have a small powder area as well. Very tall ceilings. There is a window in the corner. This home does have a walk-in Roman type shower that is tile. Very neutral tile in this home. Does have a glass block wall there as well. There's a seat in this Roman shower. There is the floor. This home is nice, well maintained, very clean home. It does have a separate commode space as well, with a sliding pocket door and a frosted window in that commode space. This primary bedroom does have a sliding glass door leading out into the lanai. I will take you out into that lanai next and show you what that has to offer. Here is the lanai, concrete floor, very good condition. Recessed lighting in that ceiling, knockdown texture. Back of this home does face south. Let's take a look at what the back of this home looks like. That is your yard looking right. That is your yard looking left. Right there. See if I can give you a better view of that roof. That is your roof. Very new roof, March of 2024. Very mature landscaping, very comfortable out here. Let's walk back into that home and see what the primary bedroom, the guest quarters looks like. Here is the guest quarters. This is a split bedroom design home. Your guest quarter is on the opposite side of the home as your primary bedroom. Here is a guest bedroom in the back of the home. Carpeted floors. That carpeting is relatively new. Knockdown texture. Very neutral paint in this home. You have bifold raised panel doors on the closet in this guest bedroom. I did video the specification sheet, so you have the dimensions of the rooms. Off into the hallway, into this guest quarters, you do see the laminate floor. This is the guest bathroom, tile floors, wood cabinets, Corian countertop. Very nice. Shower surround is tile. You do have a glass block window. There isn't a dark space in this home, friends. You do have a tub in that guest bathroom as well. Here's a linen closet for the guest bathroom. That is your linen closet right there. This is another guest bedroom. You do see the laminate floors, neutral paint in this home as well. This bedroom does have a closet, bifold doors, raised panel. This home shows very well. Does have wire rack shelves in that closet. We are in the village of Penny Camp. List price $449,000. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood framed home. There is a sliding pocket door on the guest area. Your guests can close that off and have privacy. I will give you another panoramic view of this living, dining, and kitchen area. Next, I will walk out into that garage. I will show you that extra deep garage leading back into that laundry area. You do have a small area for folding your clothing. You do have a large area here for storage. This is very nice. Let's walk out into that garage. Here is the showstopper garage, extra deep garage. You can fit 2 cars lengthwise on each side of this garage. 4-car garage. This is awesome. That golf cart does not go with the home. You could negotiate it. 2-car garage, actually 4-car garage. That is a safety shelter for storms or tornadoes or whatever you have. You can slide that door closed and you can climb down in to that storm/safety shelter. Very first home I videoed that has that, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This garage is huge. Feel free to share my videos with your friends. I do appreciate it. Next, I will go out back into that street. I will give you one last panoramic view of this home from the street. As always, please contact your listing agent, Lisbeth Cline, if you have any questions about this home. Let's walk back out into the street. Very large setback, very deep setback. There is your seating area in that home. Here we are, panning left. That is your quiet cul-de-sac. I will show you Elizabeth Cline's contact information one last time. Please contact her at that contact information. Next, I will walk back out into the street. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Here we are in the village of Penny Camp, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home. List price $449,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Penny Camp. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home is offered at $449,000. Have a great week, everyone.